Okay everyone, so this is the look of our fridge. Okay, I really want guys to take all of these things. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Juby May. Okay guys, yes darling, very good. Yes. Okay everyone, so this is the look of our fridge. Okay, and I want to remove all of this sticker residue, and it is really quite hard guys. This residue has been here for ages, so let's try to remove this one. Okay, look at this part. I just shined this part and looks really so shiny. So let's try to remove the residue of the stickers in our fridge, and this is what I am going to try. Okay, so let's put olive oil, a generous amount of olive oil, and then let's put it in there. Okay guys, so let's try. Let's try, and they said that we have to leave it for a few minutes. Okay. Only this part guys, let's try it. Okay, and let's see if it works. Okay, so let's leave it for just 2 minutes. Okay, look at this part. Oh my gosh, it is really so shiny. That is why guys, I am not showing you our fridge because of this. Yeah, but let's try it. And I really want guys to take all of these things. Yes, we have so many fridge magnets, and we didn't put the things we bought yet from Jordan and Israel. I think we have yeah, we have there up the Israel, one Israel from Nang Joy. Shout out to you, Nang Joy. Thank you so much for this fridge magnet. Yes, that's Haley's schedule at school. Yes guys, yeah. I am using hair dryer and ladle to remove the sticky stickers guys, as you can see that. Yes, so I just finished guys. I'm not totally finished yet because I have to remove all this smudge and the oil guys. Yes, and I have to, you know, remove this one as well. But look guys, it's so nice now, and look all of these stickers on the floor. Yes guys, I am really so happy. Imagine. But yeah, as I've said, I'm going to finish it up. Yes, cleaning, and then I will show you the final outcome of my fridge. And I'm going to remove all this also guys, all these things. That way it will be nicer and neater. Yes, so I have to vacuum all this. Yes, and then I will get back to you guys. No more stickers that were scattered on the floor guys. The lower part of our fridge is okay na siya guys. Yes, as you can see, it's so clean And now let us going to, I just remove all the magnets and the papers in here. So I'm going to take that out as well, this one. And I'm going to polish as well, or clean. So look at our fridge. Our fridge looks like brand new again, guys. As you can see that. Yes, it is so shiny na siya, guys. OMG, I can't believe that this fridge looks brand new again, guys. Yes. So I told to my husband that he won't let the kids stick any stickers here. Yes. Para kaming bumili ng bagong fridge, guys. And now it's time to clean the inside. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and turn on also, guys, the notification bell so you won't miss any video of me. Hope to see you again, guys, with a brand new video. Bye!